Hi everyone, I'm Nick from Printerbase and I'm very pleased to be able to give you an up-close and personal introduction to the new Samsung Xpress M2885FW A4 mono multifunction laser printer. This machine is due to launch in around April 2014. Okay, so this machine is identical to Samsung's recently launched Xpress M2875FW, but with the added benefit of an incorporated NFC or near-field communication chip. We filmed a dedicated video showing you the benefits of this technology, so if you want more information on NFC printing, please check out our YouTube channel. So let me just rattle through some of the important specs. The M2885FW prints, copies, scans and faxes. It offers a print speed of up to 28 pages per minute and has a first page out time of around 8.5 seconds from ready. You'll get high quality printouts with an effective resolution of 4800 by 600 dpi. USB, network and Wi-Fi connectivity comes as standard, and Samsung includes a generous 1200 page starter toner. When that's empty, you have the choice of either a 1200 page or 3000 page black toner cartridge replacement. Now, unlike some of Samsung's other mono machines, this one comes with a separate OPC drum cartridge which is rated at around 9000 pages. These yields are calculated using official ISO guidelines, and there are no other consumables. There's a single sheet multi-purpose feeder hidden behind this panel at the front of the device, and there's also a 250 sheet paper tray. No additional trays can be added. Okay, so there's double-sided print as standard on the machine, and there's a 40 sheet automatic document feeder. And whilst it can't scan both sides of the media, you can put into the machine single-sided pages and double-side print them to reduce paper consumption. There's an eco button on the machine that lets you enforce economical printing across your business. You can alter this, but as default it'll put 2 pages onto one A4 sheet, duplex print and skip blank pages. If you prefer not to enforce eco printing, then these options can also be set as required within the print driver. Samsung will support various versions of Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems. The M2885FW offers colour scanning to a Windows, Mac or Linux computer with an optical resolution of up to 1200 by 1200 dpi. Now, this is where talking about scanning can get confusing, because you can either pulse scan, which means putting the document into the M2885FW and then controlling the scan process using the Samsung software on your computer to pull the scans onto your computer. Or alternatively, you can push scan, which means you put the document onto the M2885FW and use Samsung's control panel to push the scans to your computer. So you have the option to pull or push scan via USB or network, assuming you have everything configured correctly and are running the appropriate Samsung software on the computer. There are several caveats, so please get in touch with Printerbase if you'd like to find out more. Finally, you get fax functionality with this machine, making it a relatively feature-rich piece of kit. But it doesn't stop there, because Samsung's M2885FW also lets you print, scan and even fax documents from compatible smartphones and tablets using Samsung's brilliant mobile app. Again, we have several separate YouTube videos demonstrating this. Oh, and if the machine is connected to your office network via Ethernet or Wi-Fi and therefore has access to the internet, you can even configure it to talk directly with Google's Cloud Print servers. Thanks to the inclusion of NFC, this can be configured by simply touching a compatible smartphone or tablet to the device. This allows you then to print from the Samsung Mobile Print app or Google's official Cloud Print apps, even when you're away from the office. I'll have a play with this and post another YouTube video so you can see this in action for yourself. And just so that Apple users don't feel left out, Samsung have thrown in AirPrint, so you can print from iPads, iPhones and iPod Touches devices without installing any Samsung apps. Again, please check out our YouTube demonstration of this in action. Okay, I think I've rattled on enough now, but if you want to watch more of the videos, then please visit www.youtube.com/printerbase. Alternatively, our videos can be watched on our website, which is www.printerbase.co.uk. And if you want to talk to someone, then grab your phone and dial our sales team on 0800 170 7234. I'm Nick, and thanks for watching.